The AxisGO Over kit will give you the perfect setup to capture those beautiful images from above and below the water's surface. Included in the Over kit is the AxisGO housing of your choice, dependent on your phone model, the AxisGO pistol grip for improved handling and ergonomics, the 6-inch ultra-wide dome angle, and a protective port cover for your dome. The benefits of this 6-inch ultra-wide dome is the increased field of view and also this increased surface area across the dome, creating that unique and dramatic water line as the water runs across this surface area. Besides shooting above and below the surface, you'll find that this 6-inch ultra-wide dome increases the minimum focus, allowing you to get super close to your subject while still adding a lot more in the frame with those wide-angle optics. Everything you see here has been hand-picked by the AQUATECH team to give you, the user, a better experience and to get more out of your AxisGO.